Me have to catch up all the fire. Figure about me sitting with strong. Have to sitting for a Rizla. Figure about me sitting with strong.
Bob Marley Beach, June 14th.
Let me tell you this. A boom jar of herb they by me bedside. Well, blessed, this is Julian Jojo Marley scene and wanna see you all at Bob Marley Beach on June 14th. Scene? Yeah, Rasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know it's Wild Man from Wildland. Present him Earth Strong. Bob Marley Beach. Make sure you reach. June the 14th, all team, all crew, rope in. Yeah man, the big one. It's a day and night on the sun, function. Music by Caveman International. We'd see from Sun City FM, Jojo Royal. From RJR, artists performing, Popcorn the Unruly Boss, Queen Africa, Julian Marley, Jesse Royal, Ibamar, Major Mackerel, and a lot more.
MC, Ron Mushet, Sampleman, Deaky Bailey. Gates open at 10 a.m. Free until 6 p.m. $400 after 6 p.m. $500 after 12. Ladies 2 for 1. Shout out to our sponsors: Unruly Entertainment, Young Vibes Production, Sun City FM.
Yeah.